Solomon, how can I start making money online just with my smartphone or with my computer? There are a lot of ways you can make money online currently in 2026, and one of those ways is called online survey. When some of us hear about survey websites, our mind goes back to all the frustrations that we have been receiving from different survey websites right here in Nigeria. But that's not the case, because we are talking about different UK and US survey website. There is a difference, because most people that are doing UK and US survey sites, or most people that are doing UK and US surveys, they know exactly what I'm talking about. Yes, because you cannot compare UK and US surveys to Nigerian survey. So today I'll be talking about 20 different UK and US survey websites that you can use right here in Nigeria. I know some of you will say, Solomon, if it's UK and US, so how are we going to access this website? Well, I'm also going to be sharing with you guys how you can go about this website and what you can do, or what you need for you to get started with this particular website. So you have to keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more content coming your way just like this one. And make sure you join my community on WhatsApp, Telegram, or join my community here on YouTube. Mind you guys, this is not a financial advice. Your effort determines your result with survey. So for the fact that you're watching this video, it's not a guarantee that you're going to make money, but it's actually a guarantee that you're going to learn something new today. So I'm going to start from number 1 to number 20, and number 15 is my favorite. The first survey website is this particular one right here. They call this one Pinecone, and if I scroll down, you can see, hi, welcome to Pinecone Research. So it's actually called Pinecone Research, and this is a market research company. Now, according to this highlight, which means they use gift cards for you to redeem your earnings on this particular website. So since 2000, that's when they started this particular survey website. Pinecone is not a new survey website. This is one of the survey websites that you can check out that can help you take online surveys. If you're from Nigeria and you want to sign up for this, they might tell you, hey, you cannot access our survey platform because you are not a UK citizen. The next one right here, they call it Survey Llama. This particular one is also a UK and US survey, but it works in Nigeria, as you can see, and they have Trustpilot ratings. So this is the second survey site. The next one on my list right here is this one they call Survey Savvy. They call this one Survey Savvy. Start taking online surveys and you can get rewards for your opinion. They call it Survey Savvy. The more I keep on going, the more it gets better and better. The next one right here is this one. They call it Opinion Outpost. They call it Opinion Output. They say get paid for your opinion. How it works, this is how it works. Our reward, you can use PayPal, Uber gift card, Amazon gift card. Next one on my list right here is this one they call maximiles.uk, maximiles.co.uk. Paid surveys, give your opinion. This is it. If I scroll down, you can see this is how the platform actually looks like. So you can get the app. This one is actually an app, though. You can get the app on Google Play Store. Number 6 on my list right here is this one they call Opinion. It's not even loading because it's not for us right here in Nigeria. They call this one opinion.com. It's another paid survey platform they can use to take online surveys, and you get rewarded for your effort. Now, the next survey platform that we have right here is this one. This one is very, very popular. They call it mobrock.com. Mobrock is a very, very popular survey website that works in most countries. They even have an app on Google Play Store and on the App Store. So it's very, very popular, but I'm going to advise you to use the UK version or the US version. The next one on my list, they call it maryvoiceuk.co.uk. This one right here, ready to unlock reward, right? You can see if I scroll down, you can see some of their payment options. So this is another survey website or online tax website that you can get started, or you can go and get different surveys, but this works for people in the UK. You can see the URL maryvoiceuk.co.uk, which shows that this is already a UK platform. They call it Curious Cat survey website that you can jump into for you to start taking online surveys, for you to start earning online. Don't use it like somebody that stays in Nigeria, because most of the features will not work for you. If you're using it like somebody that stays in Nigeria, it will not work for you. That is the beautiful fact. Next one right here is this particular one they call ProGuard. So they have different games and different apps. You can download apps, all those kind of things, and you get some rewards. They call it ProGuard. Okay. They call this one voice here, as you can see. So it's actually loading. As you can see, they say shape your world. You take online surveys. You can see it's from the UK. These are some of the available countries. This is another survey website that I have on my list that you can get started in 2026. They call it voicey.greatbritain, which is gb.gb, which means Great Britain. The next one on my list, IPSOS. I don't know why they gave it that name, but that's the name. Take surveys, have your say and end reward. This is it right here. Another powerful survey website that you can use to take online surveys in 2026. Go and check out IPSOS. Okay, yeah, check this out and tell me what you think. Choose the one you like best, choose the one you're going to enjoy, and get started. It's very simple. And the next one I have on my list, Cinchbox, right here. So this is also a survey website, or you can call this one a GPT site, right, that you can take surveys and do other GPT tasks and also get some reward. They call it Syncbox. Next one right here is called Opinion Poll, survey website that you can try in 2026 for you to take online surveys and get some reward. I told you the 15 one is my favorite. The 15 one right here is called Inbox Dollar. This is one of the most popular survey sites that we currently have now on the internet. So they call it Inbox Dollar, and Inbox Dollar right here actually helps you to take different surveys and do different tasks. If you're targeting UK, you can use Inbox Dollar, but if not, you can go for Swagbox. For something not to be available in Nigeria means that thing is very valuable. So that's the 15th survey website on my list today. And they call this particular one Node Maven. As you can see, you can also take surveys and get rewards with cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. I think they have other tasks that you can check out on this particular site. The next one right here is called 5 Survey. Sorry, your country is not supported. Next one right here is this one. They call it Hey Piggy. Hey Piggy. I say earn real cash with paid online surveys, as you can see. So check out Hey Piggy and tell me what you think. Is available on Google Play Store. The next one right here is this one. They call Take Free Paid Survey. They call it Price Rebel. Price Rebel is very popular. I have been using it personally. It works very well, but please don't use it if you're from Nigeria. The last one on my list right here is called Prime Opinion. This is very popular, just like Price Rebel. Please don't use this one if you're from Nigeria. I told you guys earlier, after listing this website, I'm going to tell you how you can go about them. Okay, now number one, if you want to go about them, you can use something they call proxy. Now proxy helps you to stay safe on the internet while taking surveys. It's very important, because most of these survey companies, they want to drain all your data, but by using proxy, you can stay safe while taking all these surveys. I have created a tutorial how you can set up your proxy, how you can get your proxy, how you can set up your proxy. Go and check it out. I buy my proxy from proxysellers.com. You can stay safe on the internet while taking online surveys. But if you don't know how to set it up, but you like to get started, I've created a tutorial. It's on my Selim account, so I'm going to drop it for you down so that you can go and watch the tutorial on my Selim account, or you can also go and check out my survey tutorial on my Selim account, how you can get started with proxy and things like that, guys. Make sure you follow me on my Selim account, guys.